Stop wasting money on weak blenders that leave you chewing your smoothie. You need actual power. I've hunted down the 10 best portable blenders on Amazon that finally deliver cafe-quality results anywhere. From cordless travel beasts to countertop powerhouses, I've put all the product links in the description below. Number 10. Most personal blenders leave you chewing chunks of ice, but big mixers clutter your counter. You need a hybrid. Meet the KOKUNST CB08. At just 5 inches wide, this machine packs a massive 900-watt copper motor hitting 25,000 revolutions per minute. Unlike standard models, it uses unique asymmetric blades to create a vortex, pulling ingredients down to pulverize frozen fruit instantly. It's built with durable, BPA-free materials and features non-slip suction feet for stability. You get a massive 11-piece kit with 3 cup sizes, perfect for gym shakes or baby food. Plus, cleanup is effortless since the cups are dishwasher safe. Get real power without the bulk. Check the link in the description. Number 9. If you are tired of bulky appliances taking up your entire counter, you need the kitchen hack that started it all. This is the magic bullet. It's not just a blender, it's a high-torque kitchen assistant. With a compact 250-watt motor, it chops, whips, blends, and grinds ingredients in seconds. Whether you're making a quick smoothie, prepping chunky salsa, or whipping eggs for an omelet, this thing does it instantly. The 11-piece set comes with high-impact, BPA-free cups, including a tall cup and a party mug, so you can blend and serve in the same container. Plus, everything is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Get the ultimate space saver. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Number 8. If you think personal blenders are too weak for real meal prep, you haven't seen this beast. This isn't a toy, it's a 1,200-watt powerhouse that hits 25,000 revolutions per minute. While standard blenders use weak 4-blade systems, this machine uses upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades that are wider and thicker to pulverize ice, nuts, and frozen fruit instantly. The real game changer is the size. This 12-piece set includes massive 32 and 37-ounce cups, way larger than standard bottles, plus a 23-ounce travel cup. With hands-free push and twist operation and easy clean parts, it's built for serious nutrition. Get professional power in a portable size. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Number 7. Stop choosing between a tiny personal mixer and a giant countertop appliance. You can finally have both in one machine. Meet the Liebe and Lecker Smart Blender. This isn't just powerful, rocking 1200 peak watts to decimate frozen fruit. It's actually intelligent. It features 4 smart preset programs that automatically adjust speed and timing, so you get perfect texture without the guesswork. The best part is the versatility. You get a massive 50-ounce jar for making family-sized batches, and a 28-ounce travel cup with a spout lid for your morning commute. It's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and covers every blending need you have. Upgrade your kitchen with smart technology. Number 6. This is the KOKUNST Portable Blender, and it solves the biggest headache of travel blending. It features a smart LED display that shows your exact battery percentage and a blending countdown, so you never get stranded with a dead unit at the gym. It's also surprisingly powerful. While most handhelds use just 4 blades, this upgrades to 8 stainless steel blades spinning at 22,000 revolutions per minute for superior crushing power. It holds 17 ounces, charges fast via USB-C, and includes a separate travel lid so you can leave the motor behind. Blend smarter, not harder. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Number 5. If you want a nutrient-rich smoothie in just 10 seconds without dragging out a heavy appliance, you need to see this. This is the KOIOS 900-watt personal blender. It pairs an all-copper turbo motor with upgraded 304 stainless steel cross blades spinning at a massive 23,000 revolutions per minute. It uses pulse technology to crush ice and frozen fruit effortlessly, no stalling, no chunks. You get 2 large 22-ounce BPA-free cups that come with unique portable hooks on the lids, making them easier to carry to the gym than standard bottles. Plus, the blades detach completely for rinsing, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Get high-speed nutrition on the go. Number 4. If you want cafe-quality frozen drinks at home, you need more than a standard mixer. You need raw power. This is the TOPZEE Personal Smoothie Blender. While other portable units struggle with ice, this machine dominates with a 1000-watt motor that peaks at 1200 watts. It uses a heavy-duty 6-blade stainless steel system, instead of the standard 4, to crush ice cubes and frozen fruit into silky smooth textures instantly. It comes with large 24-ounce travel cups, making it the perfect companion for the gym, hiking, or a busy commute. And the best part? When you're done, the cups and lids go straight into the dishwasher. Get the power to crush anything. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Number 3. Stop fighting over who gets the smoothie cup in the morning. Most personal blenders feel like a starter kit, but the Ganiza GB06 is a complete system. This isn't just a blender, it's a massive 14-piece combo. It includes not just 1 but 3 portable cups, a large 24-ounce jar and 2 17-ounce cups, so the whole family can grab a drink and go. Under the hood, it's rocking a max 900-watt motor spinning at 23,000 revolutions per minute, meaning it pulverizes frozen fruit in seconds using food-grade 304 stainless steel blades. Plus, with a built-in cooling fan and dishwasher-safe parts, it's built to last. Stop washing the same cup every single day. Number 2. Meet the KOIOS BL319B. It powers through ice and frozen fruit with a 900-watt copper motor and an upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade system that eliminates chunks instantly. But the standout feature is the volume. Unlike standard kits, this 10-piece set comes with 3 large 22-ounce cups right out of the box. Now you can prepare a gym shake, a work smoothie, and a drink for your partner all at once without stopping to do dishes. That it's stable, durable, and fully dishwasher safe. Get the kit that covers the whole family. Check the link in the description. Number 1. Stop searching for a wall outlet just to mix your lunch. With the PROCHAIN portable blender, you can blend anywhere. This cordless unit features a robust 20,000 revolutions per minute motor and a 6-blade stainless steel cutter that powers through fresh fruit and protein powders instantly. But the real game changer is endurance. You get up to 20 blends on a single charge, meaning you can use it all week at the gym or office without worrying about the battery dying. It holds a generous 22 ounces, has a secure flip lid for one-handed drinking, and the cup is fully dishwasher safe. Cut the cord for good. Grab yours at the link in the description. That wraps up our list. I've linked every blender mentioned below so you can check the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products by links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.